I mean, they come standard with these laces, but they look dope with the sale laces. What's up everybody, whydavis here, back with another review. So I'm showing you guys the Air Jordan 1 Praline. Alright guys, these officially came out today for a retail price of $180, and you guys can already get these for $130. Now if you really do like this colorway, I would suggest you guys to wait a little bit longer because you can find these for under $100 in my opinion. But let's just see what happens in the stock market. Now this is the box right here. Normally when we do get this red and black box, that means that it is a women's exclusive, and this is a women's shoe. Now you can also get these shoes on sneakers right now. Like I said, these are going way under retail, so you can get almost every size on the sneakers app. I did go to size 11 on these. We don't get suggested retail on the box. Once again, the retail on this was $180. Now when we open up the top of the box here, we get this very dope tissue paper. We get the Jumpman, a basketball, and like some chandelier type of things on it. As you guys can see, normally what we see like on a ceiling or a wall decoration. I'm not sure where that decoration comes from. If you guys know, let me know in the comments box below. So this is the shoe right here. We do get an extra layer of tissue paper on the inside. All right, and like I said in the intro, they do come standard with these laces. Now if you are a female, they will look nice with these, but in my opinion, they look super dope with the sail laces. These shoes really remind me of a shoe that came out maybe in the early 2000s that we are getting a retro of. I'm not saying that we ever got these before, but it just reminds me of that color blocking, like a Wheat 13 or something we haven't gotten in a long time that they're bringing back, especially with the sail laces on this. It just makes it look a little bit more aged and vintage. We also get like a aged out midsole on here. They do come with this extra set of laces that you guys see that I have on the inside of the shoe right here. They come with those laces. And let's start off with the shoe, guys. Now on the bottom of the shoe here, it comes in this beige, kind of like a orange outsole. If you guys look at this real fast, or Praline, you guys see that, and we see the Nike with the swoosh on it. Looking at the midsole here, we get an aged out midsole on both the outside and the inside of the shoe. Same thing with the stitching. On Air Jordan 1 lows and women's exclusives, it seems like we get the best quality, and they really did their thing on this shoe. Like the quality and the leather on this is so nice and soft and buttery when you guys put your hands on these, if you guys ever get them. But if you guys look at the middle panel here, we get this white leather. On top of that, we get the swoosh and the other color blocking, and then on the other hits of the shoe as well. If you guys look towards the ankle on both outsides of the shoe, you see the Air Jordan logo right there with the wings and the basketball. Same thing on the inside of the shoe. Like I told you guys, the materials, the detailing on these is really nice. I don't see many stitching errors or glue stains on my shoes on both the outside and the inside of the shoe. But let me know if you guys are picking these up. Like I said, I think this is a dope colorway, and you know, when you take out the standard laces, they do look really nice, especially when you guys see them on feet later on. I probably will change a lot of you guys' minds, but you know, that's kind of normal. Anyway, let's look at the toe box here. So I will say that I did get like a messed up toe box on the left shoe, but when you guys see me touch down on this, these will crease up pretty easily. So make sure you guys put some more shoe cheese in your shoes. Creasebeats.com just restock on their website. You guys can use my code of whydavis to save yourself $5 off. Looking at the mudguard here, we do see some more like this beige colorway, the midsole, and then we see the very detailed stars creeping up from the bottom of the shoe. Now once again, they do come standard with the ribbon laces, but I put in the sail extra laces that they did come with. If you guys look at the tongue here, it is aged out kind of like in a beige pinkish color, if you guys can see that. At the top of the tongue here, it says Nike Air. Okay, on the inside of the tongue, it just tells us where the shoe is from and everything like that. And then we get this very nice soft sock lining in satin, which is very comfortable on feet and very comfortable just in general when you guys have these on. We do get some tissue inserts on these. Taking out the insole, we don't get the Dream Cell insole, but it is like the cheaper version of that. If you guys look at the insole, it is white. It says Nike Air on it. On the back here, it is black, but it doesn't say Dream Cell. It's a cheaper version of it. Underneath the actual insole, it is white with that beige type of stitching, and then we see a little bit of thin tape, long thin tape holding down the stitching. Coming towards the back of the shoes here, it is white leather at the top. We get some more of that Praline or beige towards the back of the shoe, and that's pretty much going to do it for the shoe, guys. All right, I'm sure you guys my foot is in the toe box right now. Okay guys, so this is what they look like on feet. Pretty clean in my opinion. Now I'm a true size 9. I normally get 9.5 on my shoes. I did go up half a size on these. This is a true size 11, and this is a 9.5 in men's. Now with that being said, they feel really nice on feet. You can go true to size on these, but in my opinion, go up half a size if you want a better wearing experience, especially if you have a wider foot. Now, I'm sure you guys my foot is in the toe box right here, so I'm looking around, but if you guys cannot tell, my big toe is right here. I do have a little bit of space in the front of the toe box, but I do not feel this material on the outside and the inside of my foot. Now I will say that, you know, they did give us some really good nice material tumbled leather on these. The shoes feel really nice on feet as well. And when you take out the rubber and when you take out the ribbon laces, these look really, really good on feet, like an old Jordan that we got years ago and that just came back out with these laces, especially because it has like that sail look on the laces. But I'm gonna show you guys just like some different pants options right now. Okay guys, hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, show your boy some love, and stay tuned.